I said the black was say because we pay homage. Wow, she says state of the nation, my mummy didn't hear. Oh, it ain't the Sandra. Or him ain't a metua. Yami Adom. Entertainment, I mean a Ghana for Tremor. Straight up. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Ghana. Ghana's entertainment prophet. Kwalama many a frame. What I see. Yeah, cause why a black sheriff. And now no Hayana Mijina can some say most of the new arts, you know, they don't know how to pay homage. Or muni me kaye be cranes so they be and the bayan fatun ya fire papa currency. Ya ko ni fear waterman. Or catcher is a new artist will be a kwame born promo that said daddy. My bonyum na adwen ho say daddy mama wa adwen kakra. You see it's so beautiful to see say black sheriff the need for especially what the album mobile watching the Iron Boy. Ghana so they can Iron Boy no no we me am of an impong a brantie a machi dide. It is we ko pay homage a yen hwe ne fe. Nana kwa account yeah more pia nana manu kokochia yen hwe mercy say ba gospel mu beef hala me be sisi ya.
Your post school your fact Oduma so special man o you know say be out of car chop say nana over 6 times. Yeah. I see. Yeah, more I know. Yeah. Exactly. Then I'm going to say, hey, I see. Oh. Yeah. Before I said, let's jump there for different colors. Now, the trap song will be able to see how much the trap star. So the money can yeah. Oh, maybe I may be free and I highlight now the music free. So, and I mean, so say the new people, maybe the highlight will be yeah. Let me say how much the trap star. Okay. Oh. And then the next album I have also my title I Am Boy. Okay. I Am Boy.
Anyonwa o pananana me mo hwenchia me nuaba Ruti mommy udru kuma se o se kro tekoko so asase so pe oba entertainment na dware no so oba bisia yemfa Ruti mommy o insure from your sister station na me nuanso no no imagine krekre no mfa yenye correct say adope me child baby girl yantwaso Asamoah bamenyom wonim se asembi abetodwa so na me na me kakaya na me twaso because we enkwale ya sesa me papa because me nya papa o me nya papa o me mitimi etans na sister na wa bodam sa like me nya obi a me ya correct and now me catch say me de ma adwene makoma nyina ma donation somewhere 1989 oh kuma se kwada so bola ho me de chey enti nkwala na adwuma no se nkwala ma me no na nkwala na ayeden ama metimi asachira me hunyame enti sanka wei je mo ba ba yei kan open ka me no mo me de wo family me de wo famoti na me de wo bobrodo so because resa gospel for mo ma sade ne se mo twi akra se that the akobem ni say just say no wiasefo no group beef no say mo so matime the bible no ato ho beef osmo ensemble wow na mo menyom no because me kaya na me jai se adie ebra share part 1 and 2 gospel beef apai shade ba baya to
kasa ni pano atemegum kan hu ni se wonsa na wo di show bi so no ne aka no ebe nfe ne ebe to wonso no ebe buru sa ni pane de no so me biri nyankopon me gini di bebre wase bi no so ya mena yenhwem won firi jani mu eti jani mu asem ne yeye onye mo obi ho ayi obi ehi ma set and depression ni pana
ya na no me hwese Cecilia Marfo abetena ho a o yire ne ho ene makuri makara hwe me de tonso ntumi ndome miyo me adia ma pa ho ne sofo bia ene wakasa ade ne ye nokore odome emfa ade ne ye nokore nko ana woka odome wa endome da unim tonso ye de bo edome bonsam dome nipa dia bode wama wukuna so de frifie ho no na on dome sa tumi na wukun sambra back me dia wunya ready a ena me mfa nwada so pesa wo trend wo ho a wa pe obibi na ba meka chirechirem u free to from den crofo CDC share o zaba ya nko na odin be pie no on setimi apie afi kura na ekodan
Jesus odofo ka say wo hwa me anopa ka say Jesus Yehovah Jesus you want me hwefo hwemi hia me Jesus rade beje me nanti gospel for pana and nan we na ba ko so bia no say no tentesu nanum so say nyame say on tentesu ngu nanum na say ne honto no say dey on the wanya wanim ba ko etimi achimduku apepa ne makeup na ba ko so etimi asle ahya we gitare ahya mi ni watwe nanim na obi kunu na oh Charlie those days pa you can gospel musician Esther Smith, Daughters of Glorious Jesus, Tego Sisters, Getty and Friends, Susie and Matt, Helena Rabbles, Amy Newman. Now who's on me a beef for that? And noon tin and a quite so normal minister chair, and you know, I found till now. What yet at your ma, a foul saying no de because home back could be any mujibu. Home say home fire say, Tetania to your ma, I saw ye who it read. Will be answering because their spirit is gone. Instead of winning souls for Christ, more journey trend the home. Let us say, yeah, the bonny of way. Yeah, what your bonny mu. I bet then, what's me as a sign idea me by Yamimu. There's a Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Safwa. Yet it's in woman, quash or ya, Kabina, Kawakas, and Menquash, or Kamen Quash or Ibium because you're a guy. Ye beef, you will reassem. I'm not doing medical beef. Oh, buy ya. I was a ye betting a me asem do do hono. Me buy ye most mudi see any kala. What's I been to me can asem ni because as a memo. Back where my sister Penny, back over obit me awo me. Sister Sunny make kako 40. On the way obit me awo me. It's a quite a mema made the penny so the assemba cry na. So na person me fire no. As a malt na quench fire no. Oh, go miss one of them. See, I come on in bang a guy. Yea, I create like a fatty to me, pay boom, cannot pay. Some of betting I cry, had a moye. Like a 40 and pachosi. Where the Yantuaso. No more, mamma, no pokuma saying it here. Ukokum be a saying a mortal, new one or at sea. Pay no mwati. We infuse mwati, infuse mwati. Yentu aso ne yesi ti say album kwade sune ya hrensa hwan na eka kutiebra.
Maybe if we're lucky you can give us a gospel song.
I've done so many of that, and when people say that,
I think we're used to a certain type of your music.
No,
so
I actually have done gospel songs. You know, like when you. But mostly, I realize that people don't listen to albums. I was telling Antoine, that's why I don't waste my time. You know, excuse me for using the word waste, but it's because we are not album listeners. If you listen to almost every album, I make sure I drop two or more gospel songs on there, like Ancient of Days. Yeah, it's a full gospel song. In fact, I even tried to promote it with some gospel stations, which didn't work. I mean, for obvious reasons.
We're used to a certain style of gospel music. So
yes,
we want that style, but
that's sad because that will never be me.
I mean, that's what I think.
No. I agree with you. I'm agreeing with you that if I choose to record, it will be very. So even now, I barely listen to homemade gospel music.
Right.
It was just recently that some of the urban guys would do, because I experiment with sound. I love my love for music is not about fame. I love music. It's not about fame. So I take my time with music.
This is Hits.
Maybe if we're lucky, you can give us a gospel song.
This is Adom TV. Yana yawo ada oje. Abusuya kwaso a share wo do enchena Vows Day eba. Say you know Vows Day the dwumadi epia gu akwam 14th no Adom TV so no sika mega jackpots. No. Sani ebe ya no zakwa Vows Day. More goodies, more goods. A talemwa. Was a 14th na ifiada. Obehwe minimi nua ifia pa na man na yede asomo. Ba akwa Adom FM ho de omo ye kire wodo. Shock odo promo. Koso ewo Adom FM. Send your voice note and our video echo 053 100 3813 chemu adekonti e wo say you celebrate odofo no na wonim prize etc ye de bema o Adom 106.3 and a day bro ento asom mo ye say de ho bema nyame a na mabeka yen ye say ye jemu ahohoro ye nsa afiri wiase afefe de adane ye nchi akonyame sumu bo so obi apro no abeka ho mepon makwe by me director asante achim agugu dishie eja frempon na no on the director me Kenos Moses no Lamikel a sound guy cinematographers e twa me go ye Master Thomas Master Prince set phones to the international will be MCR na ansa na mekono me ra ho ntimi hu ha wa me ye no but na ye nua ba ko birthday Rosalind Philly my friend the first lady or Joy Prime ya ra ho su che niema ye besom boys ani age happy birthday queen nyame shroud you make our screen so beautiful nyame in shroud happy birthday from all of us at multimedia nyame shroud na salasti amo ono so wa Adom newsroom sen kase ne beba abonten kofo say na tenachi ehhehye ne kama mamonti salasi mara okuafo a happy birthday from all of us entimepon Hidden Glow ne ma me share Hidden Glow hwehwe no Instagram social ne nyina so enwi no eye Florence Morte Hidden Glow oni ene de ma me na Eagle phone so pamata de ma me share omo otesa no same building with Starbite restaurant shell hono na again we'll try to reach out to Kwade. Let's see the outcome now. Bia who am to jakakre befa ko no but still am fa ho a o za asem mitimi nka ne yi but say ekone wo say ye be ka asem bia may fast what na medem ho anu yesu mojam na mabeka why till then I remain the goddess queen na make catch will say kosoa no malt no. This is the new look. Ukokroma no be efama me pa. It looks very cute. Ever share obotum anywhere or bag mo just drink it. I'm sorry but I'm just so sad. Kwade. Oh, erade. We are mobile wate. Ami ba ya na makade di se me kaba de mepon. Say pa de court kande. Mama fan shop papito. Bye. Till then, you better say share. Mr. Weber, take me away. Bye for now.